Watch me breathe new life into an old masterpiece. In today's video, I'm repainting over this mixed media piece where I used crushed eggshells. We all have those paintings that just don't feel right anymore, so instead of starting from scratch, I decided to use the unique texture of these eggshells to create something fresh and vibrant using the wash technique. Let's get going. So here what I'm showing you is the process from the first painting and how I applied the eggshells to the canvas. I use a gel gloss and then put it, as you can see, on the lower half of the canvas, spreading it out. You can use whatever design you want. I allowed it to dry a few hours. It doesn't take long with the gloss, and you can see the shiny bits here. I created some small and larger pieces, more like a mosaic look. You can do whatever design that you want. And the idea initially for this painting was that I wanted it to have an ocean feel with some like river rock in it. So I applied a dark background with carbon black. It might have been bone black, but I will link the video for you to take a look. And then I also added some blues, paint spray, as well as this blue. And using the same technique I'm using today, I did the wash technique. And I really love how it started coming together. And while it was still wet, as you can see here, I used some paper towel to blot certain areas, and then I went ahead and allowed it to dry. And here's the close up from the first painting, and it really does look like river rock in the ocean. It has those beautiful kind of rustic feel to it, as well as some really shiny kind of glow to it. And now we're going to go ahead and start the process of creating a new masterpiece. So I'm going to put some music on for you and for me. Let's get going.